In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily save a Microsoft Word document to your desktop. Whether you are creating a new document or updating an existing one, saving it in an accessible location like your desktop ensures you can quickly find and open it whenever needed. This simple process will help you stay organized and avoid losing important files. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document. If you are starting from a new document, make sure you have added at least some content so you have something to save. Once your document is ready, click on the File tab located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options for managing your document, such as Save, Save As, Open, and Print. Next, click on Save As. This option allows you to choose the location where you want to store your document. A new window or sidebar will appear, prompting you to select a folder or location on your computer. Look for the desktop option in the list of locations. If you don't see it immediately, you can navigate to it using the Browse button, which opens a standard File Explorer window. Once you have selected the desktop as your destination, type a clear and descriptive name for your document in the File Name field. This will make it easy to locate later, especially if you save multiple files to your desktop. After entering the file name, make sure the Save As type field is set to Word document, which will save your file in the standard .docx format, compatible with most versions of Word. Finally, click the Save button. Your document will now be stored directly on your desktop, ready for easy access at any time. You can minimize other windows or go to your desktop to confirm that the file is there. Remember to save your work frequently while editing by clicking the Save icon in the toolbar or pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This ensures that any changes you make are not lost and your document remains up to date. Saving a Microsoft Word document to your desktop is a straightforward process that keeps your important files within easy reach and helps you stay organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.